Githaiga wa Chai, na niko hapa kwa sababu ya sababu tatu. Ya kwanza ni kwamba tulikuwa tunampenda Mama Betty Bayo. Betty Bayo used to sing songs that inspired us hata tukiwa wadogo. I grew up knowing Betty Bayo. The second reason is because of our prophet Bishop Kanyari, and this is because he's one of the most supporting TikTokers. Bishop, I told you, I have been here before when we were fighting for Finance Bill 2024. Munakumbuka? I was here before, and Bishop, you stood with us, and that misi kwangi mtu fake. I will tell you the truth. I will be with you when you are with us, and they will be with you when you are with us. Sisi hatujua kufake, and you are our bishop in TikTok. People may talk, people may say, but I, Githaiga, will say, we are with you because you are our bishop. Juzi 2 years ago nilikuwa hapa na nikasema, those who don't judge us, we will not judge them. They judged us, they told us musikuje kwa makanisa zetu, walituambia tusikanyage huko, but you welcomed me. You are my father. Ladies and gentlemen, sisi kama TikTokers, we are mourning, and we are mourning for our fellow content creator. Mama Sky alikuanga ame-create Sky as a TikToker. Most of us wanajita TikTokers, but Sky had more followers than even Githaiga wa Chai. So Sky is a TikToker than all of us. Tukiwa hapa tunasimama na TikToker wetu. Tunasimama na one of us. Ya mwisho kabisa ni kupitisha rambirambi zangu, kukuambia pole sana, and on behalf of the Githaiga wa Chai team, tunakuambia pole sana na tunapitisha our sorries, and we are mourning with you, we are standing with you. TikTokers hoye! And any time that Bishop Kanyari will need us, I want to say this. It is very unpopular, but I want to say it because I want to be very clear. Mbele ya Bishop wa OTC. Any time that you need us, Githaiga and others, we will stand up for you because you stood up for us. Na nataka kusema without fear or contradiction. Sisi TikTokers, we the TikTokers, we will stand up for Baba Sky anytime Baba Sky needs us. Na dakwiro Bishop wakwa, pastor wakwa,